Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Stafford local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance relocations are very complicated. A long-distance move is a move that is more than 50 miles, whether it is within one state or from one state to another. We understand that a long-distance move is very stressful. However, with 3 movers handling your logistics, you are assured of a good relocation plan. We provide high-quality services that are also efficient, secure, and cost-effective. We can shorten the time of your relocation with the assistance of our experienced experts without jeopardizing the cargo's safety. Local moves are more reasonably priced than long-distance moves, and we keep our costs at a reasonable rate, about $30 to $40 hourly. If you utilize the help of our local moving organization, we'll give you value for your cash with the help of our movers who are authorized and hardworking. We know how to navigate busy cities and urban areas and can assist you with moving your assets to your new home as quickly as could be anticipated. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Stafford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.